Hey YouTubers, what is this? You get 3 YouTube videos in a week? I must be doing something good. So we're finally getting rid of the bad bald tire here. Like the tires from the donor bus. So, oh yeah. Matching turn signals. I'll come over here so I don't interrupt my guy. But these are what's going on. These are good tires. So I'll have an after video. Also over here, cold start of the Bluebird. So the lights are off. I think the starter got water in it because it doesn't like to start. We'll see. Yeah. There we go. I just checked tranny and I'm gonna have to change tranny fluid in this thing too, unfortunately. But she still runs. Back door is open, that's what the buzzing is. Still sounds healthy. There's the other bus getting tires changed. Alright, so the finished product, there's the new tires off the donor bus. Got quite a bit of meat left on them. The other side looks pretty good too. No more bald tires, but I just got to clean them up and paint them so they look nice again. Anyway, thanks for watching.